like a boss.
Alright guys, so this is Alex from Mindful Attraction, and today we're going to be reviewing Sexy Confidence. Alright, so we're going to see what he has to say. I'm going to give my opinions. I picked his most recent video and also a suggested video, and I'm going to see what he thinks about the advice he's going to give, and I'm going to give my take and see if I agree with him or not. So let's begin this.
Believe it or not, words are the doorway to a man's heart, and of course to his penis. And when he's attracted to you physically, the words you say will be a deciding factor of whether or not he wants to come back for more. So here...
The deciding factor? Nah, I don't think so. My theory is that a man's deciding factor is how willing are you to give up your time. When you don't give up your time to someone, you automatically make them insecure. When they feel like you're not giving, when they feel like you don't have time for them, you make people feel insecure. You know? But let's keep watching.
5 sexy phrases that will make him absolutely melt in your hands. Keep on.
I mean, I made videos like that, so I can't lie, I can't act. People, I'm nitpicking here, all right? So I'm gonna try to find things to disagree on, all right? So, you know, expect that. Because if I agree with everything he's saying, then I mean, it's not fun for me.
Hey there, Adam Lidolce from sexyconfidence.com, where I help you create your love story. In this video, I'm going to give you 5 sexy phrases, and these are just examples, so you don't have to copy them word for word, but I'm going to actually talk about the learning points behind these phrases and why they're so effective. So let's jump right into it.
I can't stop thinking about having your hands all over me.
Now, this is a really sexy phrase because it builds sexual tension, and this is especially effective if you haven't even slept together, because he's going to be thinking what it's actually like to be with you. Building tension early on in a relationship is going to make him magnetically attracted to you. Let's jump into number 2.
What's the sexiest thing?
All right. Not bad. I mean, but you're just teasing him, but okay. I'll take that. I'll take that.
You've ever thought about? Maybe we can try it.
Now, this is really effective because it shows that you're open-minded. You are interested in exploring his sexuality, and by the same sense, he's going to be interested in exploring yours. And when you start out a new relationship, you want it to be kind of a judgment-free environment as you're getting to know each other.
Oh man, Sexy Confidence he's a freak. Oh man, he is a freak. You see, you never judge a book by its cover. Hey man, you know what, man? He's right about that too, man. He is 100% right about that. I thought I was gonna get some flower advice, but what he's saying is kind of true, right? But first of all, you gotta follow through. All right, we don't want no pump fakes, because if you don't follow through, we're gonna be asking. You know what I'm saying? So don't just say that if you're not gonna really follow through.
They're sexually. Let's jump to number 3.
I'm all yours.
Now, this is especially sexy because statistically, more men tend to be dominant in the bedroom. Submissiveness can be very sexy. So when you submit yourself to him, give him your whole self. And now let's jump to...
Yeah. Exactly. I'm surprised he's saying that. Wow, I am shocked. I'll be honest with you, I've never heard a dating coach say that. I am shocked, Sexy my nigga. Yo, we rolling this for you, bro. We rolling this just for you. You're black.
Number 4.
You just lay back. I'm taking over.
Now, this is my counterpoint to the previous phrase. This is where you're being a little bit more dominant in the bedroom. And it's because, statistically speaking, both men and women enjoy both submissiveness and dominance in the bedroom. Now, according to a survey by YouGov, for men, sexual dominance is preferred over submissiveness by about 2 to 1. But most interestingly, 30% of both men and women say that they enjoy both dominant and submissiveness at different times, depending on their mood. Then there's a whole percentage of people who won't answer the survey just because it's a little too sexual. And those people are lame. And finally, number 5.
Gotta give you a big hug, bro. Man, you're saying some real shit, bro. I'm liking you, man. I'll be honest with you, people. I really judged him by his cover. I was expecting to roast him. I really was like, I was getting this ready. I was getting my drink ready. But he's saying some truth, people. Saying some truth, man.
I love it when you...
This is where you give him positive feedback in the bedroom. It's okay to communicate what it is that you like in the bedroom. If he's doing something you really enjoy or something you like, tell him about it, because the chances are he's going to do more of it. Then as time goes on, if there are some things that he does in the bedroom that you're just not into at all, and great, because you've been giving so much positive feedback, you can also give him a few things that he could do a little bit differently.
Oh yeah, man, Mark. I mean, Mark is his name, Mark. I don't know what fucking your name is, but dude, is it? I remember. I'm just always roasting Mark Rosenfeld, but like, That's some good shit, bro.
you're really into. And ask him the same. I mean, we assume when we're sleeping with someone or getting sexually involved with someone that we just know exactly what it is that they want. And more importantly, we assume that they know what it is that we want. But chances are that's not the case. Use your words and have that kind of a conversation. It's going to really spice things up in the bedroom and thus build more intimacy in the relationship. So if you enjoyed these
Hey
phrases, and you
man,
want
that
more
was
help-
beautiful. That was beautiful, bro. That was beautiful. You know what, man? I don't. There's not. Let's watch this.
I literally couldn't get her off my mind. I'd be creating videos just like this, and she'd be on my mind. I'd be in the bathroom combing my hair, and I'd look at the comb, and I'd see her face. I'd even be doing my favorite activity in the entire world, which is kite surfing, and I'd be thinking of her the entire time.
Oh,
And
look
fine,
at
that was a lie.
that.
Maybe I wouldn't think about her the entire time when I was kite surfing, but most of the time, because I really did love her. Moral of the story is that if you're on his mind, then you are doing well in the
Oh,
relationship.
he's using a tactic. He's disarming me with weakness. I feel so bad now. Man,
In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to be on his mind nonstop. Keep watching.
Oh.
Hey there, I'm Little Shay from sexyconfidence.com, where I help you create your love story. And this video is all about being on that guy's mind when you're not around. Number one, leave him wanting more. One thing I always remember when Jessica and I first started dating is that we go.
Alright, bro. He's reminiscing. He's having a tough time, bro. Yo, man. If you need to talk to somebody, hit me up, bro. Hit me up. What year was this? Let me find out what year was this. Going through a tough time, Mr. Oh man, he's still going through it, man. It was May 9th. Oh man, let's pray. Let's pray for sexy confidence, people. Let's pray for him.
First date or a second date or even like our fifth date, and she'd always kind of end things earlier than I wanted. She'd always just be like, okay, great, it was really great seeing you, but I gotta go. And I'd always be like, wait.
Yo, some bitch did that shit to me too, man. It's fucking true, man. Unbelievable, man.
No, I want to hang out more. And then I
Yeah.
remember other dates that I've been on a long time ago, back when I was single. Jeez, it feels like a long time now. But when you go on a date and be like an 8-hour date, and at the end you almost like have nothing else to talk about, and when you leave that date, you're thinking, are we gonna have literally any
8 hours? Get the fuck out of here! I'll never last. My days don't last more than 2 hours, bro. If you're not going home, if you're not going home with me within the next 1 hour and a half, let's try again next week. You know, like I don't be doing 8-hour trips. That's a fucking vacation. But hey, man, he looks like a nice guy, so.
ground to cover on date number 2? Which brings me to my second point. Number 2, stay mysterious on the first couple dates. You do not have to tell him your entire life story on that first date. Leave some stuff for later. And maybe he even asks you a very specific question on the first date. You can always just say, look, let's keep that for the second date. It's kind of a bold move, but I like it. Number 3 is don't be what I call an instant texter. We all live in a world of instant gratification. We think of a woman, text her, and she responds. Let him think of you, text you, and then you respond. Give it a little time. And the way to give it a little time is to go get a life. Go make things happen, right? If you want him to be thinking about you, you have to be going and doing interesting things with your life. You can't be sitting at home watching Netflix, eating Ben & Jerry's every single night during that time.
Hey man,
Go
you
get
know
a
what,
hobby.
man? I can't. There's no more, man. There's nothing else to disagree about. We're just gonna watch this whole goddamn video. We're not doing that. Like, it's great. He's a great coach. Just go subscribe to him, and the link to his Instagram is there. I mean, he's a great coach, man. Good shit, bro. I mean, hey man, you judge a book by its cover. It's only human nature, but hey man, keep doing your video if you're watching this, and let me know who you guys want me to. Please, man, give me someone who's fun, who's juicy. You know, what can I just, come on, people. I believe in you guys. Be safe.
All right, so I want you guys to check out my online course. It's called Dark Game, all right? And in this course, I pretty much teach you guys all of the most powerful techniques to get a guy to love you. Let me show you some of the things that we're going to talk about on this course, right? Because this course is pretty much a coaching session where I give you guys where each section, for example, right? Each section we're talking about the pre-honeymoon period, the honeymoon period, and the post-honeymoon period. Every relationship is in these 3 places, right? And so it identify you what are the signs that you're in each of these phases, and then I give you guys specific techniques that are meant for that specific stage. All right. So in this course, you will literally be coached by me without being coached by me. All right. On top of that, I give you guys some of the psychologies of attraction to help prepare your mind so that you don't have unrealistic expectation. Right. So on the pre-honeymoon period, we have something in the likes of introduction to the pre-honeymoon period, how to get to know a guy the right way, how to get to know him indirectly, directly, how to create a powerful reputation, how to create attraction non-verbally, how to instill thoughts of commitment, how to use weakness to create a strong bond, and we also provide pop quizzes, right? This course pretty much I don't give you guys a bunch of techniques. I just give you guys everything that really works. I am telling you, these techniques are meant for specific reasons. I could have put out a bunch of different videos, but I knew that these are the videos that you guys need to avoid being manipulated, right? And end up with the guy that you want, all right? So I want you guys to check out this course, man. This course, I'm putting a lot of work and effort, and I know that if you guys purchase this course, you guys will be able to get any guy you set your mind to, right? So check it out. I provide free videos, so if you guys want to check it out, you guys can check it out absolutely for free. And if you don't want it, you don't have to purchase it, all right? Anyways, this is Alex from mindfulattraction.org. Take care. And the beauty about all of this is that it's only $99. And if you guys know my coaching sessions, I have coaching sessions that are over $1,000, right? So this is pretty much a way for you guys to get coached by me without paying a hefty price. And the beauty is that there's a money back guarantee. If you guys don't like the course, you guys will literally get money back. Look, these are the things that people can say. All I can say is this stuff is powerful. It works. Alex, keep up the good work by you putting everything in clear, vivid understanding for us and providing an example. It is really useful. All right, ladies. So if you guys enjoyed this, all right, ladies, so yeah, check out this course. It is the shit, in my opinion. I know you guys are going to love it. It's 29 videos, so take care, and I hope you guys enjoy yourselves.